Okay, so what you're going to see over the next few minutes is me cutting, designing and pinning together various parts of my latest build. A lot of it is going to be, really basic bits, and the camera work isn't great. I promise I'm going to get better. For people watching who are more experienced modelers than me, you're probably going to find this little bit boring, and I apologise, but once my camera skills get better and my modelling skills get better, I'm sure these videos are going to improve. So what you've seen up to now is me basically putting the skeleton together of the ground floor of the building I'm going to make. I'm planning on turning this into like a shop with living quarters above it. What you're about to see here is me planning and laying out the first stages of the upper half of the model I'm making. I plan on this upper half to have 3 floors. I suppose a downstairs, an upstairs and a loft level. This is simply just more planning, laying out marks and cutting. I don't mind if you want to fast forward a little bit. I think I might have left a bit much of this into the edit. This clip's just giving you a basic rough idea. So as you can see, I've started to assemble the upper half. I've got one wall glued and pinned in place. All I'm going to do is go around gluing all the 4 walls together, and then I'll show you when it's completed. Right, okay, so that's the main structure of my building done, I guess, the main part of it. My cuts weren't quite accurate, so tiny little bit of trimming to do here and there. Now I am going to leave it for the time being where the top separates from the bottom. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the insides yet. The first level at the bottom there, I'm going to set that up as a shop, and I don't think I'll lay out the full shop. I might just dress the window or something like that, just do a display in the window or something like that. I don't know, see how far it goes with it, see how far I go with it, see what happens. But definitely going to dress the window, build a door. As for the upper 3 levels, still mulling it over. May or may not dress it. If I do build the inside, that's going to be a hell of a lot of work, I imagine. Very long project. Even something on such a small scale. I don't even know how big this is. I would like to mention that I actually don't work to any kind of scale. I just do what I hope or think looks right. Let me just give front measurement on the front. Well, as you can see, from the table to the almost to the peak, it's just a little over 12 inches. I'd say 12.5 inches. So it's a good size for me as a beginner. There's a profile shot of it. So hopefully we'll get somewhere.